in this particular day, when we give the helping hands, the love and affections to the needy people, will be a new life, will be a new thinking, will be a new idea to change the attitudes of the people in this country. So this particular day, that is tomorrow, 4th July 2022, would be exemplary for the whole nation and for you and for me and for all of us sitting here and for all of us here who are media here. I think by doing that, I think we are going to set an example to the nations, to the people, that yes, we care for everyone. There is a people who need our help. There is a people who need your care. There is a people who need your love and affections. I think this day, 4th July 2022 of Bubagara birthday, of Maharaj's birthday, will be celebrated across the state in this manner. This is how we all came here together. Today morning we had a joint meeting with YTM, with Tipramata, with TWN, and with TN. All of us have unanimously agreed and promised that we will celebrate and show the example to the nations. So thank you very much, and we extend, please, the greatest gift that we can give to our Bubagara tomorrow on his birthday is by celebrating, giving the love and affections to all the needy people. And we shall pray to God that Bubagara health will be kept healthy and he will live a long life to contribute his dedication to the people and to serve the people of Tripura and to serve the people of the nations. I think with that wishes, we all request each one of us that let us pray to God to keep him a good health and to guide him and to protect him from every evils and from every incident and from every sickness and from every disease, so that leader that he may be able to set an example to the people, particularly to the younger generation, to the youth, that they may be able to follow the footsteps of our Bubagara. I think that prayer will extend and that prayer will heal him, that prayer will support him, and that prayer will be, now we will brief in Kokborok so that those people who don't understand Kokborok or those who don't understand English, that they
truckloads of food to Silchar. That is a part of your program. It is more important when you talk of the information. But Assam is helping people there.
Yes, and we forgot to mention that the Bubagara has sent the food and clothes to the Assam street trucks into Silchar. So I think this is one way of, helping to the people on remarking his birthday. So this is a great help that Bubagara is doing. It doesn't matter lives in Tripura, whether he lives in different